Hey guys, welcome to another video. And today we will discuss about the Karnataka Labor Welfare Act payment. So 15th January is the last date, and if any delay is there, then there will be certain interest you have to pay. So what is that, and how much need to be paid, and how to pay? So that only we are going to discuss in this video. So once you visit to the Karnataka Labor Welfare Act, here this is the main portal, and once you click on payment to Labor Welfare Act, click on here and it will take you to the exact website. So this is the main website for the payment. So you can simply click here also. But before that, going to the payment, let me show you something other things. So like here 15th January is the last date they mentioned, and this is the till now this rate is going on. There was a one notification came that the rate change. So instead of 20 rupees, employees has to pay 50 rupees and an employer has to pay 100 rupees, but still it's on a hold only, not implemented. But maybe from next year onwards it will become 50 and 100, so 150 instead of 60 rupees. So means why the Karnataka department is increasing the rate. If you see the MCA portal also, government fees increase. Early it was something around 2000 3000, now it's become 10,000. So Karnataka government drastically they are changing the government fees. Fine. Now come to the what are the benefits. So see, medical related accident, maternity benefit, funeral, medical checkup. So they will give some extra, and this is not eligible to all the employees. So all the employees may pay the payment. So the limit is up to 30,000 rupees. So if you are earning less than 30,000, then you can take this benefit. And this will not, if 100 people apply to 100 people, they will give, doesn't guarantee. Only 6 people, 10 people, they will allot that one. Fine. So you can go and check that one also. Now just simply click on payment. Now if you are a fresher, means you not register yourself your company in this category. Yeah, so if you have more than 50 employees, then you have to make this contribution. How to register? So simply this PDF file you can download uh, here. Yeah, so if you make a delay payment, then there is a 12% interest you need to pay for 3 months, and if it is more than 3 months, then 18% interest, and due date is a 15th January. So how to register, they shown the step here itself. You can just go through that one, this PDF file. So simply click on registration, and you have to give your email ID, mobile number, which category you are. This maximum under a shop or contract only will come. If you are in factory, you can give factory. Upload your all document and click on submit. So once you submit, you will get a to your email ID one link. Through that, you can create the login credential. Yeah. So already we created. So directly we can log in and make the payment. Yeah, once you log in, you can see the account settings. So address, email ID, whatever, if you want to update, you can update it here. Yeah, so make payment. From here we can do make the payment, but before that we have to create the just check it out the list of payments. So early before this also we made the payment for 21 22 23. From here also you can download all the forms. So form D and the receipt status. Fine. So come to the make payment, and here we have to select which category we are, under which act you are coming. So we register under the shop and establishment act, and if you are coming under factory, society, contract, whichever act, you can select that one. But make sure if you are selecting shop and establishment act, there is a different website also. It's a shop. If you go to the shop act labor, this one, Karnataka, and here you have to see means whether you paid that much government fee also. So we are coming under we are around 88 members, so we already paid up to 27,000. So this also you have to need to cross check whether you paid about the shop act that amount or not. So in our YouTube video we are covering about the shop act, labor welfare act, and about professional tax act. So that only we are covering in this video. So if you want to learn about that one, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Fine. So under which category we are coming, that also we have to select. So they are mainly housekeeping related work. So we will select this one, and the year we are going to pay to 2024. Now say suppose some employee left or need to pay, then again 2024 we can select, because I can see many people asking about revised return filing, or if we miss out one employee, what to do. So again you have to select 2024 and make that payment also. Yeah, so 78 and 10 female, so total 88 members are there. we have to enclose one attached file also. So simply click here. I downloaded that file. So this one, yeah. So in this file, what it's contain? So it's contain just name, gender, and the salary amount. So that data only we uploaded here. Now you can see automatically system calculated. Once you give this amount, this number, it will calculate out automatically. Now select this one and click on pay now. So just they are giving a warning. Click on OK. Yeah, through net banking, debit card, credit card, how you want to make the payment, you can make that payment. So we will do through retail. So corporate and retail, what is the difference? If you are making through current account, then corporate, or if you are making through savings account, then retail. So simply update this one. So payment is done, but automatically it's got a logout. So we log in again and just go and say, yeah. So here the payment is there. So payment, download. So it's showing successfully. Now form D and receipt we can download. So simply click on view. This will be our receipt that we paid the payment. Yeah. And this will be the form D. So form D is one kind of proof that form D. Yeah. So from the statement of employer contribution. So contribution is made. So to whom made, how made. Yeah. So this C line sign by default is coming at the time of you document upload. So based on that, it's reflecting here. Fine. So that's it in this video. So hope you learn how to make the payment and everything. So we given our Telegram group link in the comment section. You can join our Telegram group also if you require more updates related to other things. And we are trying to make some knowledgeable video also. So if you want to learn about the Labor Welfare Act, Shop Act, and Karnataka Professional Tax Act, then we have a means we providing support also. And yeah, that's it in this video. Thank you.